Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban is featured in a gray paint finish and is the LTZ trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and our 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 7 on our black leather interior. We have heated and cooled front seats, as well as heated second row bucket seats, GPS navigation, a powered sunroof. We have our DVD entertainment system for our rear occupants, powered running boards, our 22-inch alloy wheels, a power tailgate, a heavy-duty trailer tow package, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors with fold function, as well as power windows, and our window and child safety lock, some storage above some wood trim finish on our door, more storage in the bottom, driver's seat memory just above our Bose finish speaker. Inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, display cluster lighting, exterior lighting, our transfer case settings, an integrated trailer brake controller. Moving from bottom to top on our buttons, we have power adjustable pedals, power running board disables, lane departure warning, our parking sensors, and traction control, power tilt telescopic steering column, as well as audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. We have our information system in the middle in a fully digital setting. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. As mentioned before, audio controls on the back, as well as our turn signal and our wiper controls for front and rear wiper. Right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our display cluster information system. We have more audio controls on the back, as well as our shifter behind with our tow mode. A push to start ignition just to the right of the steering wheel. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into browse, you can see that we have AM stations in our menu. You can see we can adjust our Bose audio pilot as well as all of our other settings. Have our home button below. Have our phone connection, GPS navigation. We have settings, our video settings, as well as text. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below we have volume controls, radio, media, home, back, seek, our lifting screen, as well as our CD player eject across the bottom. Menu controls if we don't want to be using our touchscreen. If we hit our button that raises our screen, you can see in behind we have a USB plug. Just below that we have the controls for our tri-zone climate control, dual zone in the front, and we can control the temperature through either side, AC fan controls, front and rear defrost in the center, dual or rear control that we can also control at the front or through the back of the vehicle, and also lock our rear climate. Have heated and cooled front seats for both the driver and the passenger. Storage space, wheel lock key in our storage, 12-volt plug and 2 USBs, 2 cup holders, and our leather finish center console with a wireless charging pad. Have our key in our cup holder. We have locks and unlocks, remote start, powered glass, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Opening into the center console, you can see we have our headphones for our DVD player. We have a 12-volt plug on the driver's side, an SD slot, 2 USBs, and an aux on the passenger side. Moving to our passenger seat, we have our jet black leather finish with a vented, cooled, heated, as well as powered options. Moving above the rearview mirror, dome light controls for the front of the vehicle on either side, universal garage door opener at the front, slide tilt sunroof settings, our powered liftgate, controls for our lighting for the whole vehicle, a sunglass holder, as well as our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. You can see in the back we have our dual DVD entertainment system with our second row bucket seating. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, Moving to the front tire and rim, we can see we have our chromed alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have chrome capped mirrors, our powered running board with a chrome and black finish, chrome finished accented door handles with black finish, roof rack with cross rails, also in a chrome finish. All the way at the back of the vehicle, we have our orange bow tie, as well as our Suburban badging, trailer tow hitch with a cover. We have our powered liftgate, as well as powered glass. Back of the vehicle is a 60/40 folding split bench. Underneath, we have some storage. On the passenger side, we can fold our second row seats, as well as our power fold for our third row seats. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our handle as well as power release on the passenger hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finished door handle, power window control, a cup holder, some storage in the back and bottom of the door with some wood trim. Also have our speaker in the bottom of the door. Back of the seats, we have speakers as well as storage pockets in the driver and passenger seat. Between the two seats, 120 volt plug and 12 volt plug on either side. Climate control in the middle as well as heated seats. Have all of the controls for our DVD player in the bottom. Moving to our second row seats, we have our dual captain's chairs finished in our jet black leather. Can fold our second row seats down the side. You can also fold them in the back of the vehicle. Third row is our 60/40 power folding split bench. On either side, we have some storage cup holders as well as a 12 volt plug and just a cup holder on the passenger side. One of our DVD screens in the back of the vehicle. You can see we have vents as well. Second row, we also have our vents and our front DVD screen. We have our release on the front. And as mentioned before, all of our connectors are in the bottom. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.